Hey guys, it is Human 889 or 889, whatever you want to say, automatic crumb, whatever. I'm never gonna be able to just say the exact same thing every time, okay? That's just not me. Anyway, so, pretty sure most people recognize this magazine. These are not real. They are just sheets of plastic in the shape of them. This is airsoft. As you can probably tell, everything I own is airsoft. Nothing is loaded or gassed. That is simply for YouTube and the algorithm, honestly, but it's true. Now, what you might all be wondering is why I have P90 magazines. That's because I have a new airsoft. It's pink. Whoop-de-doo. This is the FN P90 made by FN Hairstyle, whatever you want to say it. And it shoots, well, the real life counterpart. Come on, there we go. Shoots 5.7 millimeter. I can't remember what the length of it, but I know the diameter, 5.7 millimeter. I can't remember the case length or anything, but the P90, as far as I know, was basically created as a security type weapon, or in the PDW or personal defense weapon format. And this was competing up against none other than, let me grab it, then the Heckler & Koch MP7. This, once again, is airsoft. Otherwise, I don't think you can just take it off like that and see a battery charger. Oh, sorry, not charger. This is what the battery plugs into to work it. I hate that it's do that. New grip, yes, I don't care. I do not have the stock or the magazine attached right now. This is on safe. Now it's on fire. Other side, you got semi-auto. The one thing that these two have in common, they were meant to be contracted out to defense companies, as far as I know. Don't quote me on this. I'm not the biggest on the history of the P90. I just love it. And I've got to get a sling for this thing. Very particular sling it takes. It was created to defeat body armor. Or at least that's what its intended purpose was. To basically replace submachine guns in a way for a more favorable cartridge that can pierce body armor, which it doesn't do too bad. However, you just can't beat a 5.56. I mean, just look at these things. Yes, these are realistically sized. This is a 1-to-1 replica. The cool thing about it is that it actually rotates like that, and they're actually stored like that. These, in real life, hold 50 cartridges, or 50 rounds. I don't know why the hell Modern Warfare makes it so you can have extended mags. Does it look like you can put extended mags on this? I don't think that's physically possible unless you stack like a hunk up here like a quad stack. But then again, you probably could, but I don't think it really could at the same time. So, today, I already have a note. Today, I shall practice my reloads with it. I have had quite a bit of time with it already. I have a new battery in my Competition Sports Pocket Pro 2. I have it set for random time. So it beeps once. At a random interval between... Hold on. Between 1.8 and 6.5. I have no idea if that's 6.5 seconds or 1.8 seconds, because I don't think it really is. It might be, I don't know. The beeper volume should be... That sounds good, I suppose. Now I do not have the shot dead time up and running right now. It says shot dead time default 0.11. Up is for eliminate echo, down is for faster shot pickup. I have no idea. But, shot sensitivity is 25, which is the highest it can go. And it's, the lower it is for loud guns. The higher it is for, like, cowboy guns. Like less powder, you know, or black powder. Yeah. Let's get started, shall we? First, I'm going to do safe off, then fire. That was 0.8 seconds. Again. .83. 0.76. Let's do 2 more. I went all the way to full auto there by accident. I still got 0.97. Now the thing about the selector switch, forgot to mention, is that this gun is fully ambidextrous. Got the mag catch here, one on the other side. Got the charging handle here, and the safety and fire selector here. Right now it's on safe. Directly in the middle is semi-automatic. Now, all the way to the other side is full auto. And I can see it be really easy just all the way to full auto. So you really gotta practice that. Plus the reload is really unique. I love the platform. I've never shot it, and I've never shot the real-life version. The real-life version would be the PS90 with a longer barrel. I think it's a 16-inch barrel, and it's semi-auto only. Now, let's be honest. This, with a 16-inch barrel, doesn't look right, because that goes way the hell out here. Because the barrel starts around here. And, I mean, I don't even think it's carbine length. So, let's try one more with the selector. .83. Alright. Now, I'm gonna do a tack reload. Just like that, alright? Gonna grab it, pull it out, grab another one. Make sure that's seated, actually. Now, honestly, I could just bang, and then try to stick that in, but that's not, it's not proper. So, I shall mag out, mag in, slap it if I need to, bang. Also, I love... Now, one complaint I do have about the P90 is the grip. Now, let's be honest, this is iconic as hell. It's like the iconic bullet hose in a lot of video games. Like CSGO, Modern Warfare 3. I'm honestly surprised Rainbow Six doesn't have a P90. As far as I know, I haven't played it in a long freaking time, so I very easily could have one. So, let's try that. Oh, that's terrible. That was 4.96. I mean, it wasn't that bad, but could be a lot better. Again. .13. That's better. Oh, it would have counted anyway because it didn't seat all the way. 5.07. Try again. That was ass. 5.9. One thing I like about small weapons like this, if you run out of ammo and you don't have time to reload, you just bang. And then you reload. So, I do not have any gas in this at all. Alright, try again. That was clean. Never mind, it didn't register because I hit the wall with it. Either that or it didn't pick up my shot. I mean, it is airsoft, it's not meant for airsoft. My shoulder just popped. Do you hear that? My shoulder just popped! Got the safety, 4.06. You know, honestly, when you're in combat, you're probably not going to worry about flicking it off a safety, honestly. This, as long as this discipline is the only safety you truly need, but it's still good practice. I'm still going to practice it with the actual safety, but just to prove a point. .72. Let's try and, now I'm gonna do an empty. Gonna toss it out like this. Then rack it. Alright? Honestly, it is kind of fun to just yeet that shit. Ah, I didn't charge it. That does not count! I mean, it was at least decent, at least. Say I had one round in the chamber and I just need to be a little faster. It was faster at 3.31, but not what I'm going for. Try again. .06. I went all the way to auto. I'm surprised I was able to. Honestly, I'm actually curious on what. I'm actually curious on what the rate of fire is. Alright, I'm gonna try my rate of fire with semi-auto first. Alright, that was 16 rounds a second with this, the first shot. Actually, you know what? Try again. I don't think that's 336. I don't fucking know. Alright. Actually, it could be. So, that was a first shot of .62 with a average split of .13. 422 rounds per second on that burst. I'm gonna try to do 5-round bursts every time. That was terrible. Now keep in mind, I still gotta wait for the thing to actually actuate, so... Plus this trigger is a little stiffer than I expected. Shot number 5. First shot, .73, split, .13, 421, ready to fire. I'm just gonna full auto, see how fast it is. Rate of fire, 700. First shot, .43, split, .09. I did 10 shots. Huh. Now I'm curious how fast I can shoot my Glock. Another time, maybe. Or maybe I just go outside real quick. I don't know. So yeah, this is a very fun one. And yeah, it's airsoft. And this is cell coated. I got this. Now I am not sponsored by anything I have. I bought this with my own money. This red dot did not come with it, although it does come with very, very basic iron sights. When I say basic, I mean basic as you can get. But it has a tack rail left and right. It has an optic mount up top. Make sure the safe is on. While, honestly, that P90 got a new grip. Honestly, this thing weighs just about as much as this. Now, the thing about this, yes, I can reload this really incredibly fast, but this is airsoft. It is not as heavy as an AR-15. When I went shooting with my dad, I could not reload my dad's AR-15 the same way I reload this. And I do have new magazines. These are not the wind-up ones. These ones you have to pull cord here. A lot faster for loading for airsoft. Once again, this is airsoft. Now, put the battery in that. It is a little charged, but not fully. It'll work. Just want to see if I still got it, honestly. Also, this is the trouble that we had to go through to put the battery in these damn things. Grab the cord. Grab the plug-in for the airsoft itself. Line it up. This, they both go into these slots here. Then you just tuck in the cords and the grooves. Sometimes a pain in the ass. Close it up. Make sure you can collapse it if you want to. That is as far as I'm going to collapse without wrecking the battery, but I don't like it that low anyway. Like it right there. Now, back to the other. Sorry for making you nauseous. Now, let's do the same thing. Oh, by the way, these magazines are... The other one, there it is. These magazines are actually larger than the other ones. I practiced with these more than these, a lot. So these might be a little bit slower, because that little bit, about say 3/4 of an inch, it makes all the difference. Any little tiny thing you change, it'll affect your performance. I don't like my grip way out here, so I have it right here. This is a Firefield full aluminum foregrip. I very much like it. I got tired of the angled foregrip. Yes, it looks awesome. Yes, I love the angled foregrip. I always do. But after using it for so long, I can either hold it like this or like this. And this, holding it like this, was getting tiresome on my wrist. So, this, it is. Now I'm going to once again do the same thing starting out with that. Single time only. I forgot! I can't do that because, yeah. Forgot the gearbox is fucked up. Well, there goes that. I guess I can still, practice reloads. I just can't do the time. Take the battery out. As to not ruin the gears further. Not that though. Oh, and by the way, this is already tightened down as much as you can get. The reason why it was overheating in the past is because I had it tightened down and I fucked up the, timing and all. Once again, airsoft cannot pull it back any farther. Real Air-15 be all the way back here. So I shall angle you guys to here about. Oh. Nope, too far. There we go. Hey! I guess I can still use the time to start the reload at least. Bang. Bang. No idea what the time was, but just have to tap it, honestly. Bang. Bang. Yeah. Let's do a couple of tactical. Bang. 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 I really choked hard on that. Make sure firing pin is back on my airsoft, that way you can hear the click. Bang. Bang. Just some pistol reloads. Why not? Bang. 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 I'm trying to line up my sights instead of just, just slap the trigger. Because shooting fast doesn't mean shit if you can't hit what you're aiming at. Mother texted, what the heck? Ah! I have darts at 7 p.m. tonight. Nice! Oh hey, it is Friday! Friday Night Dart League. That's nice. Bang. Now I can't really, I'll just bang and then, but, Bang. Bang. I don't even think I need to say the bang on the second one. Bang. Alright. Now let's try with gloves. I can't remember who gave me these, but my other pair is used for bike riding with thin glove on the inside. One thing I like about these gloves is that if you have beef with someone, you just do a quick 1-2, and this says fuck you. I love it. Unnecessary, yeah, but I mean, now for some reason these ones are are sharp on the inside. They don't have the pattern the other ones do. I don't know why, but hey, try again. Bang. I'm gonna have to put a few BBs in these. These will not shoot because there is no pressure to shoot them. But in order to be able to actually just slide properly, I'm gonna have to. You know what? Never mind. I'm not gonna. I don't feel like it. Instead, I'll just do this. Now, I cannot hit it very effectively with this finger. That's why I'm gonna start doing that. Good boy! Hey. I'm gonna try with the P90 now again, with the gloves, because I can. You guys back this way. Here we go. God, the gloves. I was 5.13. Let's do a first shot time. .62. Best of 3. How about that? Ah, I would have walked my world like that if I tried to shoot like that. Either way, I got a .84. .68. Alright. Went all the way to full auto by accident again. Alright. Let's try a tactical. Drop in. It didn't register my second shot. So again, get a little closer. .38. One more for the tactical. .61. Holy! Wow. Okay. Granted, I didn't grab it properly. I had it like that, but honestly, this grip isn't as important as this one because this one is holding most of the weight. Honestly, for me at least. So let's do an empty. Best of 3. Got like a freaking teacup. That was 4.16. Terrible. 4.64. Last one. I'm gonna do that one more time. Didn't miss my second shot. So again. .37. Woo! So, yeah, that is the FN P90. I got this off of evike.com. And this one particular, is by Cybergun. This exact model goes around like $200-something, depending on the Cerakote. This pink Cerakote was the second cheapest they had. I didn't want no jungle cam or anything for $400. But this, it's a good option. Granted, if I go into an airsoft war, not everybody's gonna have a P90, so I better bring my own ammunition and magazines. While the AR-15, everybody has an AR-15 in airsoft. Almost everybody does. So if you run ammo black and you're like, mag now, and they give you a mag, and you're good to go. Because AR mags, they all feed the same way. So this is one video. This is one video where in like a military setting, can't remember where it was, but it's on YouTube with like someone says, "I'm out," and then he just flicks it over to him, grabs another one, and goes back. Like, honestly, I mean, if it works, it works, but I wouldn't recommend doing it. I'd probably just, never mind, I don't have a mag. So yeah, that does it for this episode, guys. Please share, like, and subscribe if you like what you see, or you just like watching me rant. I feel like that's about 80% of my videos. Well, most of this is ranting and a little bit of gunplay, but I'm fine with it. I don't do that for the fame. I do it for fun. Alright, sure. See you.